What do you guys have?
Thomas.
Thomas what?
Pussy.
Or are you straightening it all out? Whoa!
Let me put it out.
You want me to help you spread it out? All right. Is that Bunny? Woohoo! This is the infamous Thomas blanket.
Thank
Or
you,
these.
Mommy and Daddy, for the blanket.
You're very, very welcome, Sweet Pea. So glad you guys like it so much.
I like it in my bed.
Yeah, did it help you sleep well?
Yeah.
That makes
Thank
Mommy
you,
very
Mommy.
happy. You're welcome.
I feel sad.
Oh, thanks, honey.
Thank you, Owen. I got me the itsy bitsy tomorrow.
Oh. You gonna read it? Oh, thanks, honey.
But it's cool. I'm just trying to show you. Well, it's cool.
Now it's cool. Good job, buddy.
And then out.
You're making it just perfect.
Mommy, read it.
You want to read Itsy Bitsy?